Okay, a warm welcome and a hearty good morning to one and all present here, as well as participants joined online. I am Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Varek. As the host, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to this inauguration ceremony of TechCube 3 sponsored 2 days online seminar on sustainable and digital manufacturing towards Industry 4.0. As a customer, we start every event by remembering the God by traditional way of lighting the lamp. However, owing to this pandemic situation, we are arranging the things online. Therefore, here we have made an attempt to inaugurate the event as well as to conduct the auspicious lighting of lamp in a digital manner. In the hand of our Vice Chancellor, sir, in the presence of other dignitaries, I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to do the proceeding. Now we'd like to call up our respected Sir Dr. Arun Kumar Rao, the coordinator of this 2 day online workshop, to present the welcome address.
Thank you, Viren. A very good morning to one and all present here and online participants. I welcome you all, respected dignitaries present here, Professor Atal Chaudhary sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor BCCT Bulla, esteemed Professor Amarnath Naik sir, Coordinator EQIP, respected Professor Umaranjan Jena sir, Dean CDCE, esteemed Nodal Officer, Academic Activities, TQIP3, Professor P.K. Hota sir, my colleague, Dr. Kamal Pal, Head of the Department, Production Engineering, and Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Varik, Coordinator of this seminar. My faculty colleagues and participants from our university as well as it gives me great pleasure to this occasion of the inaugural session of TQIP sponsored 2 days online seminar on sustainable and digital manufacturing towards Industry 4.0 to be held during 10th and 11th September. Environmental safety and ecological sustainability have become major concern for nowadays. The growth of industrial production and the consequent increase in consumption have led to fast decline in the available natural resources. On the other hand, high volume of production has generated a considerable amount of waste materials which have an adverse effect on the environment. The stringent rules related to the environment, growing consumer preference for sustainable products, decreasing natural resources have challenged the global manufacturing sector to shift towards the fourth revolution in manufacturing, that is moving towards Industry 4.0. Therefore, I believe this online seminar is going to enhance the skill and knowledge of the participants. There are, till now, we have received 142 response. Out of that, 96 have confirmed and at present 87 are there in online. So with this brief, I welcome you again and convey my best wishes for an interesting and interactive seminar ahead. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your precious words. Now, we'd like to request Dr. Kamal Pal, Head of the Department and the Coordinator, to address the well.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Otto Chaudhary, respected Professor Amarnath Naik Sir, Dean PQ, respected Dean CDC, Professor Jena, respected Professor Ike Hota Sir, Nodal Officer, PQ, and dear delegates, my dear colleagues, my dear students, this is Associate Professor and Head Kamal Pal, Head of the Department. A very good morning, and I welcome you to all today's online event, Sustainable and Digital Manufacturing Towards Industry 4.0, sponsored by the PQ3. This event will continue for 2 days, starting from today. The focus of the event is to bring the limelight of the fourth industrial revolution, which is popularly referred as Industry 4.0. Today, for example, digital twin, Internet of Things, cyber physical systems, cloud, edge and fog computing, and the list goes on. I did not hear these terms a few days back. People have been saying manufacturing is getting transformed from mechanical chains to digital ones. And in all of these, data is the fuel which is powering them. With the ongoing crisis due to coronavirus, automation and automated systems are being envisioned to be the attributes for sustenance of the industries. But how true is that? And if all this is true, how do you go about it? How do we transform the existing mechanical chains to the digital ones? Is digitization the new phase for attaining sustainability? Modern manufacturing is promising as the sector embraces the new that comes with digital technology advances, while capitalizing on generations of previous experience. What I see at the moment and hear from the sector is that the fundamentals are right and the prospects are real and exciting. Exciting really is the right term for it, as manufacturers use digital technologies, robotics, artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance, and other tools of Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing. This virtual gathering will help us get enlightened about these concepts to rethink the way world is transforming. We will hear it today from the expert minds on. Once again, I welcome you all to this seminar. I also take this opportunity to thank my colleagues, Dr. Arun Kumar Raut, Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Dean CDC, Nodal Officer, Coordinator of PQ3 for their immense support in organizing this event. We have brought experts from different IITs, NITs, and also industry experts to cover various case study oriented discussions. We are also thankful to our beloved Professor Debu Datta sir for realizing and guiding us to arrange this event. If I feel that this seminar will highly help a lot to all the researchers. Finally, on behalf of production engineering, I once again thank all of you that you respond this seminar within very short time. I wish a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the theme and sharing your views pertaining to this program. May I take the opportunity to request our invited guest, Professor Amarnath Naik, sir, coordinator, TechCube 3, to address the function.
Thank you. So, very good morning. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Atul Chaudhary, respected Professor Hota, Nodal Officer, TechCube, respected Professor Jana, the Dean CDC, and a respected Head of Department, Dr. Pal, and esteemed coordinators, and other members present here, and also the participants and guests around me. Really, I congratulate the coordinators for the appropriate topic of the current time when our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi is going towards the digitization. Every sphere we have to be digitized. Otherwise, it is very difficult for the global competition. And I do not know, there are several experts here. The way India has progressed in many fields, I feel it may not be correct. We may not achieve that much of progress in manufacturing process. So nowadays, we are facing a lot of economically loss, and our GDP is decreasing drastically. There is a poor contribution of the manufacturing process. So, to the term here you have utilized, that is a sustainable. If we cannot have the sustainable manufacturing process, it is very difficult to achieve the target. I am not very much having adequate knowledge in this field, but as a layman, I can say that this topic is very appropriate of the age, and it will be very interactive, and our faculty members, the participants, the faculty members of this institute and outside institutions, they can have a good interactive session throughout the 5 days, and they can achieve some knowledge which is very essential, marching towards the sustainable and digitized manufacturing process. I hope this FDP will be a successful one, and it will be very much beneficial to the faculty members of the country, and particularly to our university, and due to which the objective of TechCube would be achieved. And one thing, as a TechCube coordinator, I congratulate the Department of Production. They are going to this type of program. This is third program. This is the third program. So I congratulate you. So you are marching at a higher rate towards achieve the target of TechCube, and your lesson our burden very much. I am very much thankful to you, particularly the production department. I hope this thing you will carry forward, and this should not be limited to only 5 days discussion. So this should be transferred to your classrooms, to the students and to the society. And then the objective of the TICUIP, not our university, of the country will be fulfilled. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Moving forward, I request Professor Umaranjan Jena, sir, Dean CDC, to say a few words.
Very good morning to all. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir Professor Atal Chaudhary, Coordinator TQI Professor Amarnath Naik, Nodal Officer TQI Professor Prakash Kumar Bhatta, Head of the Department and also the Coordinator of the program, Dr. Kamal Pal, and other coordinators, Dr. Arun Kumar Raut and Mr. Virendra Kumar Barik. Participants present on this program online, and faculties and guests, also those who are present on this program, I welcome all to this two-day seminar on sustainable digitized manufacturing towards industry 4, that is the version 4 as I came to know. So it is mostly a software-based system on the manufacturing. Now, as I guess, but I'm not in that line. Anyway, I wish as Dean CDC, such programs should continue in future to give lots of knowledge and requirements of the participants, that is mostly the researchers of various institutes, universities, colleges. So lastly, once again, I hope this two-day seminar will be very helpful to these researchers and faculties, and I wish the success of this program for coming together. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. It is an honor to invite Professor Prakash Kumar Hota, sir, Nodal Officer, Academic Activities, TechCube 3, to articulate his thoughts.
A very good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Chaudhary, Coordinator TQIP, Professor Naik, Dean CDC, Professor Jena, HOD, Production Engineering, Dr. Pal, Coordinator, Dr. Raut, faculty members present here, and most importantly, all the participants. First of all, I welcome you all to this 2 days TQI sponsored workshop on sustainable and digital manufacturing towards Industry 4.0. First of all, I want to speak something regarding the digital manufacturing, because nowadays, particularly in India, manufacturing, marketing, and other aspects of production, commercialization, everything we are talking about digital. Why it happened? Because in a survey I studied that in Indian, particularly manufacturing industry, 50 to 60% of the manpower and the processes, I'm not talking about the machines, the processes for the manufacturing, they have to be digitized because of three things. One is the quality, second one is the productivity, and third one is the sustainability. Therefore, everybody is going for the digital. Digital manufacturing, again, two aspects. First, the processes has to be digitized. Second one, the actual manufacturing processes has to be, that means HOD told that IoT also necessary. Various domains are necessary for true digital manufacturing. But before that, before the actual manufacturing process, the business processes, manufacturing processes has to be digitized. That means more informed decision has to be taken for a manufacturing sector. That needs lot of other digital tools. Within these 2 days, it's not appropriate to tell that every aspect has to be put into that. I don't know whether the most important aspect of digital manufacturing, that is the data analytics, it has been incorporated or not. Because before the actual manufacturing process starts, the processes have to be digitized. So data analytics, why I am emphasizing, because more informed decisions can be taken on that. Particularly one example I want to cite here. In the manufacturing process, several machines are running. You do not know. You have taken a plan and your target is fixed. You want to do the manufacturing at this much item or whatever it may be. But who knows? That equipment may fail also. So in the digital manufacturing, that care has to be taken. And particularly, if you look to the literature, you will see that in the data analytics part, very important component is there, that is known as predictive analytics. Electrical engineering it is used, communication it is used, particularly in manufacturing it has to be used. But because you have to predict the behavior in future also, one step ahead. That's why this has to be also incorporated. Anyway, I'm happy that as suggested by our TQM coordinator, for the time and again, this topic is more appropriate for the mechanical engineering, production engineering, and all the industrial sector. I congratulate the department people who have organized it in a nice way, and I hope all the participants, more than 100 participants have joined, so they'll be definitely deriving the best out of it. Once again, best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor Atal Chaudhary, sir, to share his thoughts.
Very nice good morning to all the dignitaries present over here, the participants and organizers. It is well known that the global manufacturing sector over the recent years has taken a significant shift with the fourth revolution in manufacturing, moving towards the Industry 4.0. The convergence of industrial production and information along with communication technologies is called Industry 4.0. It is currently one of the most frequently discussed topics among practitioners and academicians. Make in India initiative is spearheading wider adoption of Industry 4.0. The transformative journey of manufacturing through Industry 4.0 has already begun in the country. This today's seminar provides the perfect blend of theory with hands-on approach to keep participants at par with the technological revolution. Keeping this in view, the curriculum of our PG courses offered by different departments at Vicinity has been proposed for revision, incorporating world-class manufacturing, sustainable and digital manufacturing, and Industry 4.0 as bird's eye view. Industry 4.0, which is a very popular topic today because of its big influence on manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is focused on creating smart environment within production system, several priority areas of action in order to get closer to the state of Industry 4.0. There are also the most important changes that will occur in a manufacturing operation and informatively in near future. As Industry 4.0 is a trend towards automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies and processes, which include cyber physical system, IoT, Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, cloud computing, cognitive computing, and artificial intelligence. The seminar will provide a platform for the researchers and academicians to get acquaintance with the aforementioned terms by one-to-one interaction with experts from industry and academia in the proposed domain in this today's seminar. I'm sure the owing the selected theme of the seminar, it is going to be very informative as well as interesting program. I again congratulate the participants and organizers of the 2 day seminar on sustainable and digital manufacturing towards Industry 4.0 and wish a great success of the program.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, as one of the coordinators of this online seminar, I would like to offer the vote of thanks. I, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, the entire gathering present here, the participants present online, and my own behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, VSSUT Bulla, respected Professor Atal Chaudhary sir, for his kind approval for this program, as well as gracing this event with his kind presence and sharing with us the valuable opinion. Thank you very much, sir. I'd like to express our deep sense of gratitude to Professor Amarnath Naik sir, Coordinator TechCube 3 VSSUT Bulla, and Professor P.K. Hota sir, Nodal Officer, Academic Activities, TechCube 3, for gracing this occasion with his encouraging words. I must acknowledge here the support provided by TechCube 3 for arranging this type of program. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for our head of the department and the coordinator, Dr. Kamal Pal sir, for his valuable support towards organizing this program. I would like to thank Dr. Arun Kumar Rao sir, coordinator of this program, for his efforts towards initiating, planning, and support to organize this 2 days online seminar. I must take this opportunity to place or record our hearty thanks to Professor B.B. Pati, Professor S.K. Swai sir, Professor P.C. Swai sir, for gracing this occasion with their kind presence. I must express my deep sense of appreciation and thank you to all the faculties, staff members of our department as well as university for extending their timely help for conducting the course, particularly Professor Devadatta Mishra sir and Dr. Truptiranjan Mahapatra sir for their able guidance and continuous support. Last but not the least, I'd like also to thank all the external and internal participants for showing interest towards this program. I wish the participants an interesting and productive interaction during this program. Thank you all. Jai Hind. For all the participants, our first session is going to start exactly at 10 a.m. You can take break.